Question number 2. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. Okay, firstly, let's make a triangle PQR. Okay, here is a triangle PQR and here is point E on the side PQ and another point F on the side PR. Now, let's join these 2 points with line. Now, question is, for each of the following cases, state whether EF parallel QR. Students, to check whether EF is parallel to QR, firstly we need to find ratio of sides PQ and PR, right? And in doing so, if ratio of sides PQ and PR is equal, then according to BPT or basic proportionality theorem, we can conclude EF is parallel to QR, right? So, firstly, according to first condition, here is given PE is 3.9 centimeter. 3.9 centimeter and EQ is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Similarly, PF is 3.6 centimeter. 3.6 centimeter and FR is 2.4 centimeter. 2.4 centimeter. Okay, now let's find ratio of side PQ and we can write PE by EQ and PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter. 3.9 centimeter by EQ is 3 centimeter. Now 3 ones are 3 and 3 can divide 3.9 by 1.3 times. So here we have obtained ratio of side PQ is 1.3 by 1. Now let's find ratio of side PR and we can write PF by FR and PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter. 3.6 centimeter by FR is 2.4 centimeter. 2.4 centimeter. And here to remove decimal point, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. Then we obtain 36 by 24. Now 12 to the 24 and 12 3 the 36. In this way, here we have obtained ratio of side PR is 3 by 2. Okay, students, here we came to know PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR, or simply ratio of side PQ and PR is not equal, so we can conclude EF is not parallel to side QR. Again, according to second condition, here is given PE is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter and QE or EQ is 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and PF is 8 centimeter. PF is 8 centimeter. Similarly, RF or FR is 9 centimeter. Now, let's find ratio of side PQ, and we can write PE by QE. PE is equal to 4 centimeter and QE is 4.5 centimeter. And here, to remove decimal point, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. Then we obtain 40 by 45, and 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. In this way, here we have obtained ratio of side PQ is 8 by 9. Now, let's find ratio of side PR, and we can write PF by FR or RF. RF. PF is equal to 8 centimeter and RF is 9 centimeter. Okay, students, here we can see ratio of side PQ and PR is equal. So, we can conclude EF is parallel to side QR. Okay, now according to third condition, here is given PQ is 1.28 centimeter. PQ means this whole side is 1.28 centimeter and PR is 2.56 centimeter. PR means this whole side is 2.56 centimeter and PE is 0.18 centimeter. PE means this part is 0.18 centimeter and PF is 0.36 centimeter. PF means this part is 0.36 centimeter. Okay, now firstly, here we need to find EQ and FR. So let's find over here EQ will be PQ minus PE. PQ equal to we have 1.28 centimeter. 1.28 centimeter minus PE equal to we have 0.18 centimeter. 0.18 centimeter, and after subtracting here we obtain EQ is 1.1 centimeter. Okay, EQ is 1.1 centimeter. Now let's find FR. FR will be PR minus PF. PF. PR equal to we have 2.56. 2.56 0.56 minus PF equal to we have 0.36. 0.36, and after subtracting here we obtain FR will be 2.2 centimeter. 2.2 centimeter. Okay, now let's find the ratio of side PQ, and we can write PE by EQ. PE equal to we have 0.18. 0.18 by EQ equal to we have just obtained 1.1. 1.1, and here to remove decimal point we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Then we obtain here new fraction 18 by 110, and here 2 9s are 18 and 2 55s are 110. In this way, here we have obtained ratio of side PQ is 9 by 55. Now let's find the ratio of side PR, and we can write PF by FR equal to PF equal to we have 0.36. 0.36 by FR equal to we have just obtained over here 2.2 centimeter. 2.2 centimeter, and here also to remove decimal points we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 100, and in doing so here we obtain new fraction, that is 36 by 220, and 4 9s are 36 and 4 55s are 220. So in this way, here too we obtain ratio of side PR is 9 by 55, and here we can observe ratio of sides PQ and PR is equal. So here we can conclude EF is parallel to side QR.